This is one of our 2 lecture halls. One nice thing about this, it can hold all 120 students. We have many of our core classes and exams in here. A special unique thing about this room is the divider in the middle to make it into 2 separate classrooms. It's great for small discussions and learning activities. Even the 2 back walls there open as garage doors to make it available for large open gatherings. We are currently in one of our 6 capsule rooms. They're called the capsule rooms because they're shaped like a capsule, and then they have a wall in the middle that divides them into 2 separate rooms. Each one of these classrooms holds about 20 students, which is perfect for little small meetings, group meetings, study sessions, and everything of that nature. We even have one of the 6 capsules as a 24-hour study space you can go into at all times. Alright, we are now in our other 120-person class lecture hall. This class is designed to be very interactive, lots of table outlets and microphones at every table along with the chairs swiveling to be able to talk amongst your classmates for discussion. This is also wheelchair accessible with ramps on both sides. Along with the microphones, you can also connect hearing aids to them to make it easier to hear. The instructor also wears a microphone, and every lecture is recorded to use as a good study tool after class.